having an amazing day. Today I'm going to show you how I switch from my winter wardrobe to my spring and summer wardrobe. If you're new here, my name is Shannon and you can hit the subscribe button to join my channel. I normally switch my wardrobe twice a year. And the reason why I actually switch the clothes around is I like to simplify my life in every way possible, and I find it much easier to open my closet and just see the clothes that I am going to wear and not see a whole bunch of off-season clothing. I'm adding this to my decluttering series, which I will link down below, because at the end of every single season, I like to go through my home and see what can be decluttered. And that's another reason why I switch my wardrobe, is I can clearly see what I've worn, what I haven't worn, what could look possibly worn out and needs to be decluttered. And I will link that down below, so if you want to watch the whole entire series, you can. To start, I just try to make sure all my clothes are clean and hung up and there aren't that many items in the dirty clothes basket. Currently still having a few really cool days mixed in with some really warm days. So I am going to leave some thinner long sleeve shirts just in case for those cooler days. One tip I have that I do every season is I flip all my hangers around to see what I actually wear. So once I get all of the more summer items in here, that's when I'll flip all those hangers around, because I've already flipped all these and now I can see what I've worn. I can clearly see there is one hanger here that is still flipped around that I did not wear this item. And let me see, it is a pair of pants. So I'm gonna declutter these. I already know I haven't worn them all fall and all of winter, so these can go. Coats. I have a rain slicker, I have a warmer coat, and then I have a fancier coat for going out. So I'm just going to put all three of these coats into our coat closet, which is in my office. That's just an area where I keep out of season things like coats that are bulky, and I just find it makes it easier to keep everything more organized. Here are my drawers, and I'll show you how I set those up. These two are underwear, bras, pajamas, socks. You don't need to see that. In here I have workout clothes over here, and then these are my spring and summer clothes. So I will pull those out. I will fold all these items, store them in here. This drawer is already set up for spring and summer. I have all my shorts, I have undershirts, little tank tops, and then this is all swimming and cover-ups, bathing suit cover-ups. So this is all set. I don't really need to do anything with that. This is where I keep all my spring and summer dresses, so I'm gonna pull all of these out and hang them in the closet. I actually already see something. Here's a tip: keep a laundry basket or a bag somewhere to put all your items that you know you want to donate, so it doesn't get confusing and they don't accidentally get put back into the closet or back into the drawer. I've already stuck those pants into here, and I'm just gonna set this aside so I can throw things in there as I need to. All the winter clothes to be put in the drawers, but when I pulled the spring stuff out, I saw this, and I know I have not worn this in at least a year, so I'm going to donate this. Everything, not only do I analyze what I wore or didn't wear during winter and fall, I also look at what I'm bringing out from summer, and I look to see if I really want to wear these items again, if they're in good condition. And I remember this shirt. This is something that I do wear during fall sometimes, and then at some point I do stick it away because it's kind of thin in the back. But my mom had made a comment. She made the comment that it just didn't really look that great on me, and that's what moms are for. Nobody else, but that's what moms are for, is to tell you the truth. So I am going to donate this item because someone could probably get some use out of this. As a little side note, we are currently on a no spend year, so I'm trying to work with what I have and not buy anything that is not a necessity. And I do find there are times when I do get bored of my wardrobe, and that's a good reason to switch it as well. But another thing is I can really see what is getting worn out, and by the end of this year, I will probably replace a few things next summer or next winter. But for now, I am trying really, really hard to just use what I have. I do keep a little list of ideas that pop into my head of things I'd like to replace or get more of, and then that way I can think about it, and when we're past this no spend year, I might purchase those items as I see fit. Here's another shirt that I never wear. It's just a white button-up shirt, and I don't know why, but I just never wear it. So I think I'm going to donate this as well. And if I ever need a white button-up shirt in the future, I can get one. But I just feel maybe because the buttons on this one are hidden, it's kind of a pain. So I'm just going to donate this. As it turns out, I have more space than I thought in my drawers since taking the spring and summer stuff out. So I am going to take out the jeans that I feel I probably won't wear during the summer and just put them in the drawer. And if I ever need them, of course, these rules are not set in stone. I can just do whatever I want. I just try to make it easier for myself when I'm getting ready in the morning. I like to organize my closet. I have hats hanging along there. Then I like to have t-shirts, tank tops in this area, dresses in the middle because that's the most open area for them to hang. And then I have the warmer items that I might still need to wear. Switching my wardrobe seasonally really helps me to stay clutter-free and organized. Leave me a comment and let me know if you like to use a capsule wardrobe too. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.